Now go to the vertex to faces mode. Select the front face of the mouth head. Go to the extrusion. Extrude the face and move it outwards a little bit and then scale it outwards. Once again extrude the face, move it outwards but do not scale, and again extrude the face and move it, and now scale it inwards uniformly. It is the time that you reduce the volume of the cube, but first center pivot the cube and then uniformly scale inwards for the volume. Now go to the faces mode and select the back face of the cube and extrude it. Move 3 of the faces nearer to each other like this and create another polygonal cube. Go to the top view and move the cube in front of the chain. Adjust the size of the cube and scale on y-axis and make a little bit shorter. Now scale on z-axis and insert the cube into the chain's circle. Now duplicate this cube once and uniformly scale the duplicated cube, and then scale on y-axis just like that, and scale on x-axis inwards and on z-axis in this way. Now make a hole with the Boolean difference tool. Create another cube, move and resize this cube as the chain is passing through the mouth of the chain's hole, something like this. And now go to the top view and change your mode into the vertex and select the one row of the vertex of this cube, newly created cube, and get the select tool and increase the scale on x-axis and move these vertices downwards and scale them inwards and go to the perspective view. Now you will operate again the Boolean operation. With the Boolean operation, this mouth you will prepare now. Select the cube and secondly select the second cube and go to the Boolean difference in this way. Now make a simple design. Create a polygon cylinder and resize it like this. Open the channel box and increase the subdivision axis of this cylinder and make the cylinder smooth. Press Ctrl D for the duplicate and place the second cylinder, which is duplicated now, on the other side. Make both of the cylinder combine with each other and then select the cube and select the cylinder and go to the Boolean operation difference. Now center the pivot of your cube mouth. Select both of the pieces of the cube and go to the Boolean and union. Not Boolean union, but also we shall have to do combine operation here and combine them and make the center pivot. Go to the edit and delete all types of the history and save your work here. Then refine your chain mouth manually. Now you have prepared, modeled a beautiful chain, and you have assigned a beautiful material of the metal to it. It is just blend material with a little bit diffuse and specularity. Specularity and the reflectivity is the main thing in making a metal material. As you model the mouth of the chain, in this way you can model the tail of the chain. Follow these steps and model a tail of an antique chain, and that's here.